Hello everyone, welcome to Art-Tuts origami series. Today we'll be crafting a bird. We will need a square origami paper of approximate 15 centimeters. Let's start. Take a square paper, turn it 45 degrees clockwise and connect the bottom corner to the top corner like this. Now fold the paper in the center to connect the right corner to the left corner to make an 90 degrees triangle. Fold one more time to match the left corner to the right top corner. Lift the unit and keep it upside down. Now repeat step again. Match the right corner to the left corner and fold at the center. Just observe all the folds on all sides. We have two open flaps on one side and two closed folds on the other. Keep the triangle pointing down like this on the desk. Match the bottom corner to the top and fold it at the center of it. Now open this fold and reverse it like this. Origami is made of two types of folds. The deep fold is called valley fold and raised fold is called mountain fold. Once you reverse the folds, do the same for the other side. Now open the flap for the first wing and do the same for the other on the back side. Now that we have lifted up the wings, you can see two sides on the wing. One is longer and one is shorter. We are going to make a beak on the shorter side. We will first make a slant fold and then reverse this fold. The beak is ready now. Now fold the longer side in the line with the wing at the bottom. This will be the tail for the bird. See the pocket at the bottom. Fold it into half. Fold one side on the back side and one side on the front. Origami has no pasting, no cutting. So our bird is ready now. Try making different size of birds and with different color. Do like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for more such origami models. See you!